Good morning, students. Today's topic is density of crystal. This topic is very important according to CBSE. This comes under numericals. If length of edge of unit cell is equal to A, volume of unit cell is equal to A cube. Density of unit cell, you all know density is equal to mass upon volume. Volume is equal to A cube. Mass of unit cell is equal to number of atoms into mass of each atom, and mass of each atom is equal to atomic mass divided by Avogadro number, m upon Na. So mass of unit cell is equal to number of atoms into m upon Na. By putting all the values, density is equal to n into m upon Na divided by V. V is equal to A cube, which is volume of the unit cell. I am taking one example of numerical. Lithium has a BCC structure, means number of atoms. In some books, N there is written Z. BCC structure, N is equal to 2. Its density is 530 kilogram per meter cube. We will change it to gram per centimeter cube. And atomic mass is 6.94 gram per mole. Calculate the edge length. We have to calculate the value of A. Density is equal to Z into M and A upon A cube. This is the formula. Z here, Z for BCC is equal to 2. M is given 6.94. Avogadro number you all know. Density is given. So by putting all the values, we get value of A is equal to 352 picometer. Now the next topic is packing in crystals, or you can say close packed structures. This is not an important topic, but we have to do because this is in our syllabus. Close packing in one dimension. Lattice points are arranged in a row and touching each other. Each sphere is in contact with two neighboring spheres. So what is coordination number? Coordination number is the number of spheres accommodating neighboring spheres. So coordination number in this case is 2. Single row, each atom is in contact with two of its neighbor. This is close packing in one dimension. Close packing in two dimension. These rows can be arranged in two different ways to give two types of two-dimensional packing. I am drawing one-dimensional and two-dimensional on the paper. You all know three-dimensional packing. It's not possible to draw on the paper. So, first, square close packing. If second row is placed exactly above the first row and sphere of third row are just above the second row and so on, all rows being placed in identical manner, the arrangement is called AAA type. This type, each sphere or atom has a coordination number 4. Each sphere is surrounded by how many atoms? 4. So this is called square close packing, because if we join the centers of the atoms, we get a square. Next is hexagonal close packing. Spheres of second row fit in depression of first row, this type, and so on. This is called, that one is AA type, this is called ABAB type. Each sphere is in contact with 6 spheres of its neighbor. Coordination number is 6. Each sphere is in contact with 6. Center of each sphere are at the corner of a regular hexagon. So this is called hexagonal close packing in 2 dimension. Is close packing in 3 dimensional. Packing from 2-dimensional square close packing layers. It is observed that not all the triangular voids. What is void? The empty space between. This is void. This one. The empty space is called void. It is observed that not all triangular voids of the first layer are covered by the spheres of second layer. This leads to two type of voids: tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. This we will discuss it later. If we now place a third layer, this is 3 dimensional, so I am not able to draw it on the paper. If we now place third layer to cover the tetrahedral void, it give rise to hexagonal close packing. This is ABAB type. If we place a third layer to cover octahedral void, tetrahedral means which is surrounded by 4, octahedral means which is surrounded by 6. It give rise to ABC type. This is called cubic close packing or FCC. In this, coordination number is 12. Now the main topic is types of voids. What is void? This is the empty space between the atoms. In three-dimensional close packing, CCP, or SCP. Voids are of two types, tetrahedral and octahedral. Number one is tetrahedral voids. In SCP and CCP, each sphere of second layer touches three spheres of first layer, and thus a void is surrounded by four spheres. That's why the name is called tetrahedral void. In FCC, one corner and three face center form a tetrahedral void. How many centers are the cubes and diagonal are there? Four. So in FCC, eight tetrahedral voids are present. Next is octahedral voids. I have drawn the diagram of tetrahedral voids also. Octahedral voids. Vacant space between six touching spheres is called octahedral void. In FCC, total number of octahedral voids are, total number of atoms is equal to 4. So number of octahedral void is equal to 4. So by these two topics we can calculate number of octahedral voids is equal to number of atoms, and number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 2 times the number of atoms. In CCP arrangement, number of octahedral voids is equal to number of atoms in CCP, and number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 2 times the number of atoms in CCP. This topic is also can also come in numerical part. I will be giving you one assignment related to this topic also. Thank you.